Cellink B and Cellink Neo Dashcam battery comparison. Dashcams are great for recording all sorts of events when the car is moving. However, a lot of drivers aren't utilizing the parking mode option. Parking mode is a recording mode that continues when you power off your vehicle, but usually is triggered by one of two methods. Number 1. Motion detection. This means that your dashcam will only power on when there is detected motion in range of the camera. Number 2. Impact detection. This happens when the G sensor is triggered by some sort of impact, whether it be a light tap from a car, pedestrian hitting your vehicle, or perhaps you getting hit and run. And these are all saved as events and parking files, so you'll know when you look for them in your SD card. To power the dashcam when the vehicle is off, it'll need to be hardwired into the fuse box or connected to the 12-volt cigarette jack. During this time, the camera will consume energy off the vehicle's built-in battery, and in this case, the battery in the vehicle will slowly drain to a point where either the camera's built-in cutoff detection will cut the power off when it's too low, but this isn't the best way to power a dashcam while in parking mode, as a car's battery lead-acid construction is good for high current starts on the car, such as ignition or electronic power mode. Its primary design isn't to power slow-draining electronics through a low current. This is where dashcam battery packs shine. With a few models to choose from, they're designed specifically for slow-draining electronics, so they're able to power your dashcam for an extended period of time without damaging the vehicle's starter battery. Take the Cellink B for example. Being our most popular option with a 76.8 watt-hour charge, it's able to power a camera for up to 23 hours and a dual channel for about 15 hours. Keep in mind that these numbers reflect when the dashcam is constantly recording, and some cameras are able to utilize an energy saving mode when the vehicle is parked, which enables extended recording. Energy saving parking mode works when only activating upon G sensor impact. For example, we've tested a Cellink Battery B with a ThinkWare F100 front and rear camera, and we're able to get about 4 days of parking mode recording, which is quite substantial. Next up, we have the Cellink Neo. The Neo is the newest addition to the battery lineup and has the same capacity as the Cellink Battery B. Fortunately, it's able to provide a longer runtime for the cameras due to better internal design and engineering. It also features a new Bluetooth connectivity option, and is able to connect to your smartphone via an app, which shows you the remaining charge as well as other useful information on how the battery is operating. The Cellink Battery B and the Cellink Neo. Both are great power supplies for any parking mode dashcam user who wishes to extend the recording time. Whichever you choose, we at BlackboxMyCar will be here to help you get set up and protected while driving. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. We'll have an in-depth review of the Cellink Neo coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see more, hit that bell to get notified about our new content right away, and as always, thank you for watching. This has been Chris from BlackboxMyCar, signing out.